an explanation from you. I don't need an explanation from you as to why you think you can touch me. I'm like, oh my gosh, like. Hey brother, it's me, your sister, and I don't know what's going on this week. People, I think they feel like they can just do whatever they want. So someone told me, oh, I like your hair. It looks better this way than when you had like the really tight curls. Did I ask you? Like, I don't even talk to you like that. Like, how are you just gonna pop up and tell me what you think my hair look better as? I don't wear my hair for you. I wear my hair for me and for my mama, just so she can know what she can do with natural hair, right? And then that reminded me, brother, there was this girl that I worked with. It was a few months ago. I had my afro out, and she goes to touch it. So I see this coming towards me, so I go, right? And then I try to play it off like, you know what, I don't want my hair is moisturized. I don't want you to get grease all on your hands. And I was thinking, like, why do I have to provide an explanation? Like, why do I have to apologize for someone when you're touching me? My personal space, my hair, not your hair, not your hair. And so I guess she felt some kind of way because, you know, I kind of called her out. I was very nice and professional about it, but I called her out. So she comes over to my desk and says, well, you know, I used to grow up with a lot of girls that had, you know, kinky hair. Yeah, so she's like, I used to grow up with a lot of girls that have hair, kinky hair like yours, and we would just braid each other. And I'm looking at her like, I don't need an explanation from you. I don't need an explanation from you as to why you think you can touch me. I'm like, oh my gosh, like the audacity of some people, right? And so I told this story to my brother-in-law. He was like, you know what? What is understood don't need an explanation. I'm like, I'm gonna have to start saying that to people, right? I'm gonna need to start saying that to people, like, oh my goodness, like, this is me. I did this. I did it for me. I didn't do it for you. I didn't do it for, you know, you to tell me your opinion, your unsolicited opinion, your opinion from someone that I don't even talk, like, I don't even get with you, chick. I don't even get with you. You know, like, I'm nice to everyone at work, but she's not like one of the people that, you know, like I go and have a social conversation with. So it's like, I don't know how she, like even my friends, like, unless I say like, oh girl, do you like my hair like this better? Or do you like it like that? Like, unless I ask you, you don't need to tell me nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But anyway, on a positive note, I do like my hair today. I do like what I did with it. Yes, and I'm sure our mother will like it too. So, to all the naturalistas in the world, we gotta do us. I don't know how we can tell people, like, don't touch me. Like, why? We shouldn't even have to tell people to say. We shouldn't have to tell them, don't touch me. But yet, people feel the need. Crazy. Well, I gotta go get my day started.